Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make this halter dress. It's so simple and easy to make, and also it's beginner friendly. I use milk cotton yarn and 4mm hook. First, make a slip knot and chain off 27. Skip 2 chain and make 25 double crochet. Chain off 2 and turn your work. In the very first stitch, make 2 double crochet in the same stitch and continue make 1 double crochet in every stitches until you have 1 stitch left. In the last stitch, make increase double crochet, which is 2 double crochet in the same stitch. For the row number 3, make chain 2, turn your work. Make double crochet increase in the first stitch and then continue make 1 double crochet in every stitches until you have 1 stitch left. In the last stitch, make 1 double crochet increase. I will continue this until I have 10 of rows. It equal 11 centimeter. It's the measurement from my neck to my upper bust. For the next rows up, I want it a bit wider, so I will make increase 3 double crochet for the next rows up. Chain off 2, turn your work. At the first stitch, make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. And continue make 1 double crochet in every stitches until you have 1 stitch left. In the last stitch, make increase 3 double crochet, which is 3 double crochet in the same stitch. For the next row, make chain of 2, turn your work. In the first stitch, make increase 3 double crochet and continue make 1 double crochet in every stitches until you have 1 stitch left. In the last stitch, make increase 3 double crochet. For the next rows up, you just repeat this, make increase 3 double crochet at the first of your stitch and at the end of your stitch until you can join it at your back. Alright, I have 27 of rows here. It has 27 centimeter long and 65 centimeter wide. And it fits good on my back, and if you maybe want it a bit wider, just add more rows. Now I will join them together. Make one slip stitch at the first stitch here for join it. For the next row, make chain of 2, turn your work, and make 1 double crochet in every stitches. Make 1 slip stitch at the first stitch for join it. Alright, here I finish 1 skein of yarn. I will move to the strap first so I can try it on my body. For the strap first, I will make chain of 200. And I will attach it in the first stitch of my neck part. And make single crochet in every stitches. After finish single crocheting in every stitches, continue make 200 of chain. Now I will single crochet the side part. I will start from this last single crochet and make 1 single crochet in the next hole, 1 single crochet on the double crochet stitch, and continue in the next hole, make 1 single crochet. Continue single crocheting like this until you finish it. Alright, I finished single crocheting in every stitches and I have tried it on. And I put stitch marker here to mark where I should start with the strap. Grab your tapestry needle and weave every stitches of the single crochet stitch. And do the same for the other side. Alright, the top of our dress is completely done. Now let's continue the skirt part. For the skirt, you just continue make one double crochet in every stitches. Alright, I just done my row number 60. It equal 35 centimeter from the back. Now I will cut the yarn here and I will start from the side. I will make side split dress. I already marked where the split will be and I will start make single crochet in every stitches from here. After I reach the stitch marker, I make chain of 2 and turn my work and continue make one double crochet in every stitches. Repeat this until you have your desired length for your dress. And yeah, that's all. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!